Hi students, today's topic is force. In this topic, we will see push and pull, force and types of forces. Now we will discuss first what is push and pull. In our day-to-day life, we perform many activities such as opening or shutting a door, squeezing a bottle of ketchup, picking a book, hitting a ball, pulling a chair, and many other activities. When we make an effort to move something away from ourselves, it is called push. Some examples of push. Now, when we kick a football, we push it with our foot. Secondly, when we switch on TV or AC, we push the switch button of the remote to on. Secondly, we can make an effort to move something towards ourselves. It is called push or pull. This is known as pull. Now some examples of pull. When we pull a cart towards ourselves. Second, when we pull a bow or a bowstring towards ourselves. When we put our socks on, we pull them towards ourselves. Some pictures are given that will make you more clear. Now we will see what is force. When an object is moved either by pushing or pulling, we say that force is applied to move the object. A push or pull that tend to affect an object to move, stop or change its directions is called as force. Now we will see properties of force. First property, it can take a stationary object move. For example, a toy car can be moved by giving a little push. Second, it can change the speed of a moving object. For example, in the game of cricket, when a batsman hits a fast moving ball in the same direction of the movement of the ball, the speed of the ball is increased. Next, we can take the example here. We can slow down or completely stop a moving object. For example, a goalkeeper stops the football going towards the goal post by applying force with his hands. Now you can see in the picture stopping the ball. Next, changing the shape of dove. It can change the shape and size of an object. For example, while making chapati, we can change the shape and size of the dove by applying force with our hands. Now we will discuss types of forces. There are different types of forces. Some of them are as follows. Muscular force. A force resulting from the action of muscles in our body is called the muscular force. In the example, you can see an oxen applying muscular force in the picture. Second, frictional force. A force that stops a moving object is called frictional force. Now in the picture you can see the direction of motion, force of friction, the child how he is pushing the basket. Next, magnetic force. Iron nail get attracted to a magnet. The force exerted by a magnet on another magnet or magnetic material such as iron, cobalt and nickel is called a magnetic force. Next, gravitational force. A fruit falling down due to gravity. The force of attraction between any two objects in the universe is called gravitational force. Now, Sir Isaac Newton was the first person who discovered the gravitational force. Life on earth exists because the gravitational force of the earth is holding the atmosphere and the water close to the surface of the